Hello. Today I'm going to explain how I convert images into audio, back into images, and how I affect the audio through this process. Thank you for watching. That last video I made blew up relative to my other stuff. I think that's really neat. So I want to show you guys how I make the stuff. So first, I use an app on iPad. You could also use your iPhone. It's called SSTV, CQ SSTV. You need a dongle that's going to let you get audio from your whatever device you're using into whatever you're running it through. You will need something to record the audio. Sometimes I use cassette tape. Sometimes I use my Model 12 multitrack recorder. You could figure out some other way to record the audio, and it'll probably affect the signal and change the pictures that you're getting as well. If you are using a dongle, you will need a cable that lets you essentially turn the 3.5 millimeter cable at one end into the other, being a 1/4 inch cable, like a typical instrument cable that you can run into your guitar pedals, or you can totally not even use guitar pedals. You could record straight from... Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. This is my first time explaining a tutorial on the internet. Okay, so within the app that I use, and I'm sure you could use a different app, the one I use is called CQ SSTV. You'll need to grant it access to a photo. Then you will select that photo, choose to transmit that photo. When you hit transmit, it will start playing an audio file that you want to be recording, you want to be affecting. And it usually runs for about 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes. This is the same app I use to decode the files. So once I've recorded the file, I will then play it back. So I don't have a way to record audio straight into my iPad if I'm not using an interface with a DAW. So I'm recording straight back. I send the files that I recorded to my phone and just play my phone speaker next to my iPad, and that probably adds a whole nother level of degeneration to the signal. You could find a new cool way to get your signals from wherever you're sending them to wherever you're sending them through whatever you're sending them. So yeah, my signal path is I connect my iPad, which is running CQSTV, to a dongle, to a cord, and I go through my patch bay so that I can affect the levels through my mixer. But you could probably just go straight into a guitar pedal. I'll record all my stuff onto the Model 12, and then there are so many ways to skin this cat, but I will then transfer those files into my iPad, maybe do a little further editing in Logic, and then send that to my phone to then play it back into iPad on that CQSS TV app. But yeah, so many ways you could do this. It's a very fun way to process pictures and get novel results. I'm having a lot of fun with it. Another thing, if you don't even have guitar effects pedals, you could get creative, right? You could move the phone further away from the iPad or whatever source you're recording from into. Just find ways to alter the signal. Load it into a DAW and reverse the audio, manipulate the audio. There are so many ways that you can approach this, which is what makes it so fun. I would love to see your results. Thank you for watching, and until next time, cheers.